There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. What I'm using right now is some vice grips, some pipe, and if you haven't got one of these, it's a Fireball Tool Minion Square. I have bought the Minion package. They're pricey, but they're the best damn things on the planet. So if you don't have a set of Fireball Tool Squares, I'm not trying to pimp out in somebody else's product, even though it's exactly what I'm doing right now. If you want a really good set of squares made in USA and support a little guy who looks like he's becoming a bigger guy now, yeah, Fireball Tool. They make excellent products, and you won't be dissatisfied. Also buy some either Milwaukee or Vice Grip brand vice grips. I'm not doing this thing perfect because you know what? I'm just going to tack weld this together because I'll do all the later stitch welding. So I'm going to tackety tack the whole thing together and kaboom, that's it. And if I don't shake the camera too much, you can probably see what the hell I'm doing. So yeah, actually I'll put this over here. Grab this. I don't know what the hell my thing's set at, but I think it's at full torque anyway, so here. Let's see. Awesome. Watch it start fucking raining. Put a little tack on there. There we go. Flip the bird over. Just for sake of tackiness. What the hell? There we go. Couple tacks on there. Tack of the killer tomatoes. I'm going to set up the end of this now. Just as soon as I find my tape measure, I'm going to put these around 6 inches from the bottom. And I probably need to grind some shit off there, but you know what? We're going to see how this works without it. Actually, I should grind the goddamn thing right now. Booyah. There we go. Take this off of here. Let's see. Are we still watching? That's pretty good. Get the longest up a little better here. That's even like Steven. Alright. Let's get all tacky and shit now. This one. Turn the welding machine back on. Get to it. That's tack. There we go. Ta-da! First one is done. I got myself, you can see this, but got myself one side of a table. So yeah, put this aside for now. Oh fuck. That aside. And we'll work on the next batch. I don't think you need to see the whole thing. So I'll stop it here. Hello YouTube. I don't know if you can see this now, but let me move this back a little. I'm using my minion squares again. Get this back just a little. What I'm doing is I'm tacking the bottom piece together, and I'm just tack welding it together, just trying to get it all square. Because it does not have to be perfect, but it would be nice if it was. So this. There's that. That's tacked. That's tacked. And that's tacked. What I've been using is these things. Fireball tool squares. Or to make sure everything is square. I'm going to flip it up the other way and see. And do it the other way. Let me set that up for you. You can watch me do that. Let me turn this off for a second. I have to give this back, this camera. Move back a little. I'll fix it in a minute. There we go. There's my table I'm making. It's a bit crude. Does a job though. I gotta bend this down this way just a little. Oh, you POS. Why does it keep doing this? It's always doing that. There we go. Yeah, let's get this done again. This has got a little bend in it. There we go. That looks okay. Well, my camera's gonna die in a minute. Or a few minutes, I should say. But I just want to get this shit done. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to stitch weld it together later. Tack, 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 tack. That's very tacky. And in case anybody's wondering, there needs to be a cross brace on the bottom here. So as soon as I find a pipe to fit in there, I'm going to weld it in. So yeah, this is my Diacro metal bender. Probably got a suntan to welding it. I gotta quit now because I have children I need to be attended to. So hope you liked the video. I don't know, maybe I'll just plug this in, make another video stitch welding or something together.